If you're trying to build an online presence but don't have a website, you're leaving money on the table. Hi, and welcome. Today, I'll show you the basics of building a simple website that actually works, even if you're starting from zero. Let's dive right in. What is a website? It's simple. A website is your online home. It's where people learn about you. They trust you and buy from you. Think of it like your digital shop. You don't own social media, but you own your website. A website helps you build credibility, collect customers, sell products and services, and control your brand. Let's start with the basics of a website, the homepage. It's your first impression and should answer 3 key questions: who you are, what you do, and why it matters. Answering these makes your site clear and compelling. Welcome to my About page. I'm here to tell my story. I help ambitious women achieve work-life balance. I stand for empowerment and integrity in everything I do. Welcome to my services and products page. Here, I offer a range of solutions tailored to your needs. For instance, digital products, coaching services, fashion guides. Explore these and more to find the perfect fit for you. Welcome to our contact page. Here are the ways to reach me. You can email me directly at the address on the page or fill out the contact form below. You can also message me on WhatsApp. Hi, let's build your website step by step. Step 1, choose a platform. For beginners, consider WordPress, Wix, or Shopify. The key is to start simple and not overthink it. To get a domain name, keep it short and easy to spell. It should be brand-focused, like linfashionforward.com. This makes it memorable and easy to find online. Let's choose a clean, minimalist template. Avoid too many colors and cluttered layouts. This clean design is perfect. Let's go with it. Let's add some engaging content. First, a clear headline. Next, some short, easy-to-read text. And high-quality images to illustrate. Most people use phones these days. If it looks bad on mobile, you lose traffic. What makes a website good? It must have a clear message, clean design, fast loading, and easy navigation. If people get confused, they leave, so keep it simple. Your website should collect emails to build your audience, sell products directly for immediate revenue, and promote services to create long-term value. Let's talk about common mistakes. First, too much text. It's overwhelming. Second, no clear purpose. Always have one. Third, no call to action. Poor design. Keep it clean. Here's our simple formula. This is who I help, and this is how I help you. Ready to get started? Just click the button to join now, or choose Get Started or Buy Now to begin today. Your website doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be clear and useful. Start simple, improve as you grow. Follow for more practical digital skills.